we've had magnet remedies for over 2 centuries, but I don't think we've really understood them at a deep level at all. We know that mentally magnet patients have a lot of confusion, irresolution, indecision, alternation of mood and intention. Physically, feeling very, very cold, problems with the bones, dizziness, very big symptom. But what about the deeper experience? And imponderable remedies, of course, they're energy, aren't they? They're forces. So the positive state for an imponderable patient is one of feeling powerful, sometimes to a huge degree, feeling energetic, again, often a massive sense of energy, and a sense of expansion, which can be even to an infinite state when they talk about connecting with the universe or even being God. And then, of course, there's no single force, there's always an equal and opposite force and an equal and opposite consciousness within us. So the polarity is one of feeling utterly depleted, which is the commonest presentation in an imponderable case, but also feeling very contracted, limited, sometimes down even to a single point, feeling very heavy, dense, as opposed to the light and energetic state, and feeling stuck, immobile. And magnets are fascinating. Everything has potential property of magnetism. Like our planet is a huge magnet, an atom is a magnet, our human bodies are magnets, we have a north and south pole. So magnetism is a very fundamental force, and in the magnet state there is this state of confusion and dizziness physically. At a deeper level though, the feeling in a magnet case is a polarity between flux and flow, like the magnetic field, movement, and the opposite of being absolutely stuck, immobile, and dense. And the feeling in a magnet patient can be that the energy is flowing out of you, and not just the energy. Sometimes they say, my sense of identity is flowing out of me, or even they can say, my soul, my heart, my whole being has disappeared. And the feeling is, I'm dissolving, I'm merging into nothing, I'll no longer exist. I have to pull everything back in. So there's a feeling of flowing out, and the opposite feeling of got to pull everything back in, hold on to myself, hold myself together, otherwise I will disappear. And imponderable patients are amongst probably the most traumatized patients that we'll see. They're people who've suffered the worst kind of trauma, often a very early experience of death in their lives. And they're dissociated. Their survival strategy is just leaving this material world, which they've experienced such suffering in, and going into a non-material state. And so the magnet experience of that dematerialization is this just flowing out of oneself, the idea, the feeling that you're just disappearing, and you've got to pull your energy, pull your identity, pull yourself back in to stop that happening.